So today we'll see Archaeological Anthropology, paper 2. See, Archaeological Anthropology is the study of archaeological evidences, analyzing them, biological evolution and socio-cultural evolution. See, archaeological evidences, what are the 4 archaeological evidences? Artifacts, or otherwise known as tools, then ecofacts, features and fossils. So, analyzing these evidences by scientific knowledge by means of ethno-archaeology and by means of dating methods, which are absolute dating and relative dating method. So, these 3 are used to construct socio-cultural evolution, and this one for biological evolution. And this we have already seen all these things. Only ethno-archaeology don't know. Ethno-archaeology is studying the contemporary societies and trying to reconstruct the past is what is ethno-archaeology. Archaeological anthropology involves the study of prehistory, text-free and text-aided societies, conservation of various archaeological evidences, and ethno-archaeology. Ethno-archaeology is a specialized branch within archaeological anthropology which studies the contemporary societies in order to reconstruct the past. There are certain terms like tool. Tool is the smallest unit of culture. So a cluster of tools at a particular locality is known as an industry. A group of industries of a particular locality again can be called as culture. Group of cultures of a larger area constitutes civilization in prehistory. See, these tools, the tool makers are known as knappers. Please write some terms. Tool is the smallest unit of culture in archaeology. The tool makers are known as knappers. A cluster of tools in a particular area at a given point of time is known as an industry. A group of industries at a particular locality and at a given time is known as culture. A group of cultures of a larger area at any given particular point of time is referred to as civilization.